Lists files in the current directory. LSL shows detailed information like permissions, ownership, and size. Prints the current working directory. Changes the current directory to /home. Creates a new directory named new_directory. Removes an empty directory named new_directory. Creates an empty file or updates the timestamp of an existing file. Deletes a file. Copies files or directories. Moves or renames files or directories. Displays the contents of a file. Changes the permissions of a file or directory. Changes the ownership of a file or directory. Opens the Nano text editor for editing files. Searches for a pattern in files. Lists all running processes with detailed information. Displays real-time system resource usage and running processes. Terminates a process by its PID. Displays disk space usage in a human-readable format. Shows the total disk usage of a directory. Displays memory usage in megabytes. Shows network interface configuration. Tests network connectivity by sending packets to a specified host. Downloads files from the web. Fetches the content of a URL and displays it in the terminal. Updates the package lists for Ubuntu or Debian-based systems. Powers off the system immediately. Manages packages on Debian-based systems. Manages packages on Red Hat-based systems. Creates a new user. Changes a user's password. Shows how long the system has been running. An interactive process viewer. Configures the IP packet filter rules. Manages the firewall on Ubuntu-based systems. Connects to a remote server via SSH. Securely copies files between hosts. Compresses and archives files. Displays detailed information about the system. Displays or sets the system's host name. Displays current environment variables. Sets a new environment variable.